accidentally ordered the wrong drink or had an issue with your Starbucks app order? Don't worry, because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you exactly how to get a refund on the Starbucks app. First, let's clarify when a refund is generally possible. You're most likely eligible if there's an error with your order. Say they made the wrong drink or it wasn't prepared to your standards, technical issues with the app that caused duplicate orders, or if you were charged incorrectly. Keep in mind, refund possibilities can vary, and Starbucks will review each request individually. Okay, so here's the step-by-step guide to requesting that refund. Open your Starbucks app and tap on the order history icon. This is usually found somewhere at the bottom of the screen. Then, locate the specific order that you want a refund for and tap on it to view the order details. Now, look for a help or support button. It might also be labeled Contact Us. Within the order details, tap on that button. This will usually open up a new window or section with options for resolving issues or contacting customer support. You'll typically see options like Chat with Us, Email Us, or a similar contact method. Select your preferred method for reaching out to Starbucks customer support. If you choose chat, you'll usually be connected to a live agent. If you choose email, you'll need to fill out a form with your request. Whether you're chatting or emailing, clearly explain the situation and why you're requesting a refund. Include the order number, date, and time of the order. Be polite and concise in your explanation. For example, "Hi, I'd like a refund for order number 12,345 placed on July 28 at 1,000 a.m. because the drink was made incorrectly." After you've submitted your request, customer support will review it. The time it takes to process a refund can vary, so be patient. If approved, the refund will typically be credited back to your original payment method used when you placed the order. That is all you need to know. Be sure to leave a like if this video helped you get a refund from the Starbucks app.